Up to now, Claude has been answering you. In this phase, it starts working for you. You'll learn to automate the tasks you repeat every week to build actual working tools, the calculators, trackers, small apps, without writing a line of code. To let Claude take real actions on your computer and to wire it all into one smooth workflow. This is the phase where people go, wait, it can do that? Let's build. Kingsley Aimufua Catalyst Grid, Phase 3 of the complete Claude roadmap. 4 skills that turn Claude from a smart assistant into a genuine teammate. Task automation, artifacts, computer use, and workflow design. A heads up, some of these depend on your plan and are evolving fast. I'll flag what to check. Let's go. Skill 9, task automation. The goal isn't one clever answer. It's a task you never have to think about again. Step 1, find the repeat. What do you do every week in roughly the same shape? A status report, a content calendar, cleaning and export, drafting the same kind of message. Step 2, turn it into a template prompt with blanks you swap each time. Step 3, save it. Drop it in a project or a notes doc so it's one paste away. Level up by putting your standing instructions into a project, so every chat there already knows your context and format. And for heavier, hands-off automation, running steps for you, working across files. That's where Claude's agentic tools like Claude Code or the desktop agents come in. The mindset shift. Don't do the task, design the machine that does it. Grab the reusable report formula from the description to reclaim your Fridays. Skill 10, artifacts. My favorite, because this is where no code gets real. An artifact is something Claude builds that appears beside your chat. A document, a chart, or an actual interactive tool. A budget calculator, a habit tracker, a quiz, a little web app. And you refine it just by talking. Here's how to do it well. Describe it like a brief. What it's for, what goes in, what comes out, and how it should look. Then change one thing at a time. Add a reset button. Make the total update live. Use a dark theme. Claude rebuilds it each time. You're not coding, you're directing. Then change one thing at a time. Add a reset button. Make the total update live. Use a dark theme. Claude rebuilds it each time. You're not coding, you're directing. Try this today. Ask Claude to build a simple tool for something you currently do in a messy spreadsheet. Watch it appear. That moment is when people stop seeing Claude as a chatbot and start seeing it as a builder. Use the artifact prompt formula on screen to build your first tool. Skill 11, computer use. The newest, most powerful, and the one to handle with a little care. Claude's agentic tools can take actions, not just give advice. Working through a task in a browser, moving across your files, doing multi-step jobs while you watch. Think, research these 10 links and build me a comparison table, end to end. 3 rules to use it well. 1. Start low stakes. Let it do something reversible before you trust it with anything important. 2. Stay in the loop. Watch what it does and approve steps. You're the pilot, it's the co-pilot. 3. Give a clear goal and clear limits. This capability is evolving quickly and depends on which Claude product and plan you're on, so check what's available to you. Used well, it's like handing off a chunk of your afternoon, but you still sign off on the work. The agent task template is in the description to keep your hand on the wheel. Skill 12, workflow design. Now we connect everything into one smooth pipeline. A workflow is just skills in sequence. Take content, research the topic with sources, turn findings into an outline, draft in your brand style, format it into the final piece, all in one continuous project, each step feeding the next. To design yours, write down a process you repeat. Mark which step maps to which Claude skill, then run them in order, carrying the output forward. Keep it in a project so the context never resets. Do this once and you've built something powerful, not a tool you use, but a system that runs, where a single request kicks off research, drafting, and formatting without you babysitting each step. The chained workflow formula is on screen and in the description. You can now automate the repetitive, build real tools with zero code. Let Claude take action and chain it all into a workflow. That's a different league from where we started. Phase 4 is the finale, scaling this beyond you, bringing Claude to your whole team, advanced prompting techniques that make it think, and assembling your complete personal AI system. Subscribe so you catch it. Grab today's templates below and go build one small artifact right now. Trust me, it's addictive. I'm Kingsley Aimufua, See you in phase 4.